Welcome to Saving Sense, where we make finance simple. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that often gets overlooked by young adults: retirement planning. Whether you're in your 20s or early 30s, it's never too early to start thinking about your future. Stick around to learn the basics and set yourself up for financial success. 1. Why start early? You might wonder, why start thinking about retirement now? Well, the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compounding. Compounding is essentially earning interest on your interest, and it can significantly grow your savings over time. Imagine you start saving in your 20s. By the time you retire, your money has had decades to grow. 2. Setting retirement goals. First things first, set your retirement goals. Do you envision traveling the world or relaxing in a cozy home? Determining what kind of lifestyle you want will help you figure out how much you need to save. Use online calculators to get an estimate, and don't forget to account for inflation and healthcare costs. 3. Types of retirement accounts. Next, let's talk about the different types of retirement accounts available. The most common ones are 401(k)s and IRAs. A 401(k) is typically offered by employers and can include employer matching contributions, free money. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is another great option, especially if you don't have access to a 401(k). And then there's the Roth IRA, which allows your money to grow tax-free. Choosing the right account depends on your personal situation, so do your research or consult a financial advisor. 4. How much to save? Now, you might ask, how much should I save? A common rule of thumb is to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. But if you're just starting out and that seems daunting, start with what you can afford and gradually increase your contributions. Remember, even small amounts can grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. 5. Investment basics. Saving is just one part of the equation. Investing is where your money can really grow. Basic investing principles include diversifying your portfolio, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and understanding your risk tolerance. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are common investment options. The key is to start investing early and stay consistent. 6. Monitoring and adjusting your plan. Retirement planning isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. Regularly monitor your accounts and adjust your plan as needed. Life changes, and so should your retirement strategy. Use financial apps to track your progress and make informed decisions. Retirement planning may seem overwhelming, but starting early gives you a huge advantage. Take it step by step, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice if needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Saving Sense 106, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip on personal finance. Thanks for watching, and here's to a financially secure future.